Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I'm here to tell you guys about these really cool paddles that I just got from Panel Sound. First off, love the design. This is the red and yellow pattern, and they also have a couple other pattern options for you to choose from. But looks aside, we're really impressed with the functionality of these paddles. First of all, they're lightweight, so they only weigh about 8 ounces. Love that because your hands are not going to get tired from holding a heavy paddle for hours. Speaking of holding a paddle, let's talk about the grip. The grip is very, very nice. It's firm and it's comfortable. You can see the little perforated holes right there. These holes allow your hand to breathe. So when you're playing for hours, our hands tend to get sweaty, but these holes prevent that sweat to build up. So that way you can continue playing without your grip getting all slippery due to all that sweat underneath. The paddle itself is made very well. The face of this paddle is made out of fiberglass, and the core of it is made from polypropylene honeycomb. And for all you pickleball lovers that love to play in tournaments, this is a paddle for you because it's USA Pickleball approved. This was the set of 2, so it came with 2 paddles, 4 pickleballs, 2 cooling towels, 2 carabiner clips, and a cool little bag that zips up to keep all your pickleball equipment in and keep it nice and organized. So these paddles are just great. They're powerful, they're sturdy, durable, and they'll help you win your pickleball game. So I'd highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.